Most people are walking around like ghosts, alive but dead inside. Life knocked you down, and instead of getting back up swinging, you stayed down, scrolling, complaining, hiding behind excuses. But here's the cold truth. No one's coming to save you. You're either building the greatest comeback of your life, or you're digging a deeper grave for your potential. Let me tell you something most people won't. Life doesn't care about your sob story. It doesn't care how unfair things have been. It responds to one thing: action, discipline, relentless execution. If you're tired of waking up every morning feeling behind, ashamed, and weak, then this next 6 months is your window. Not next year, not when things calm down. Now, you have 6 months to flip your life, but you need to commit like your soul is on the line, because it is. You want purpose? You want respect? You want peace? Then you earn it in the dirt. You earn it when nobody's watching. Let's rebuild you from the ground up. Step 1. Burn the old identity. The man you've been, he got you here. Broke, soft, addicted, bitter. That version of you is the enemy. From this point on, you don't negotiate with weakness. You kill it. You stop identifying as a victim, and you start identifying as a weapon. Because this comeback requires you to become a different man. One built on discipline, purpose, and zero tolerance for mediocrity. Change your habits, change your routines, change your damn environment. And if your friends are losers, you cut them off. You don't owe loyalty to anyone who feeds your weakness. Step 2. Set a ruthless goal. Not a wish, not a soft, corporate HR goal that makes you feel good. I'm talking about a mission that demands everything from you. 6 months from now, who do you want to be? What do you want to look like? What do you want to own? Write it down. Burn it into your brain. Most men drift because they're aiming at nothing. And when you aim at nothing, you hit it every time. You want to make a comeback? Then set a target so high that the man you are right now can't reach it. Because that's the point. You're becoming someone new to earn it. Step 3. Master your body or stay weak. Let me be blunt. If your body is soft, your mind is weaker. Your body is the first battlefield in the war for your soul. You don't need a gym membership. You need grit. Push-ups, pull-ups, running, fasting. A man who can endure pain is a man who can't be controlled. And if you can't command your own body, what makes you think you can command your life? Step 4. Stack daily wins, no matter what. Forget motivation. Forget feeling ready. Winners don't wait, they act. You want to rebuild? Then every single day must end with a stack of wins. You worked out? You read 10 pages? You did something hard instead of avoiding it? Small wins compound. They build confidence. They build momentum. And eventually, you'll look up and realize you're not the same man anymore. Step 5. Embrace isolation. Build in silence. You're not supposed to be understood right now. You're not supposed to be liked. This is the season where you vanish. You isolate, you grind, you study, you train. Because comebacks aren't built in public. They're forged in silence. You will lose people. Good. You'll face doubt. Good. You'll feel pain. Perfect. Because that pain, that isolation, that's the proof that you're evolving. Step 6. Work like you're on fire. Let me say this loud. You don't deserve rest yet. You haven't earned it. The next 6 months are not about balance. They're about obsession. Wake up earlier than anyone you know. Work when others sleep. Study when others party. Outperform, outlast, outgrind every version of you that ever fell short. You want to come back? Then work like your life depends on it, because it does. This is your shot. Don't ruin it. Step 7. Track the mission ruthlessly. This isn't about trying your best. It's about brutal accountability. Track your habits. Track your diet. Track your progress. If you didn't improve today, you lost. Simple. No more, "I'll do better tomorrow." No more lies to yourself. The numbers don't lie. The mirror doesn't lie. You either did the work or you didn't. Set weekly checkpoints. Hit them like a sniper. If you miss, recalibrate, reattack, relentlessly. You have got 6 months, half a year to wake up and burn the old life to the ground. to rise from your failures and rebuild something that commands respect. You want revenge on your past? Then every day is a battle. And your enemy is the weaker version of you, the one who hit snooze, broke promises, gave up too early. Now it's your turn to make war. If you're serious about changing your life, prove it. Show up tomorrow hungrier, angrier, sharper. And remember, no one's coming to save you, but you can become the man who saves himself. Let's get to work.